Hey everyone, this is Susan, and I just want to do a brief tutorial on how to combine the Vervain Rue grimoire pages with the digital journal Book of Shadows. So here I have a copy of the Book of Shadows open in Xodo, and I'm going to scroll over to the spells pages. And on the front cover, on the front inside here, I want to paste the protection magic page. So I'm going to add image from files, and I have a minimized version of the transparent grimoire PNG file. So when you order, you get the PNG with the background, and the one without, you can use either to look like it's actually this page. So I'm going to use the transparent, and I've compressed it, smaller version, to add here. So I'm going to open that here. Give it a second to load. And once it's page, you can move it and drag it out to resize it. Give it, move on it. And then you could flatten it, but that makes it permanently here. And I don't want to do something different in the future, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to say done. And then just to make sure, I'm going to save this so I have all my changes. And I'll just show you how it stays. So I'm going to go back, say, to the yearly section, and I want to go into my spells, and here's my protection magic page, and I can zoom in, and it may, depending on your program, it's a big file, it may flash like that, but you can still zoom in and see everything that's written. And in some of the annotation programs, you can actually crop out sections. So if you wanted to crop out a recipe or something, you could do that as well. So there you have one way to combine the grimoire pages with the journal Book of Shadows. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.